Good evening, everyone. It's Trina Marie. I just got my order in from Planted Aquariums Central. And I just want to do a unboxing of it for y'all. So I'm doing it out here on the porch. Get away from all the noise inside. It's a mess in there anyway from the moving. So I've seen several people on YouTube. Some of my subscribers have gotten plants from these guys and they were beautiful, so thought I'd give them a try. So let's I ordered this on I think a Thursday night, and they ship them on Saturday, and it's a 2 to 3 day delivery, and I got them today, so that was 2 days. So they got here in good time. So let's open this up and see what we have. Has a little caution tag on it. Says pack of material under newspaper contains fiberglass. If you're allergic to fiberglass, please use caution when opening. I don't think I'm allergic to it, so let's unroll this here. Alright. Packaged nicely here. My list of what I got. There's a couple plants I wanted that they were out of, but it's okay. A nice sealed plastic bag. Hope y'all can see that. Yep. Okay. Wrapped in moist newspaper. Oh, here's my pieces of little, what is it called? It starts with a C. Cholla wood or something like that. I can't remember how you pronounce it, but I got 2 little pieces of that. They said I'm gonna put it in the tank, my little 5-gallon. Says it's really good for shrimp and stuff to get in and crawl through, and also plecos, they said like eating on it too. So I may put one of these in my 50-gallon too, but I'm gonna at least put one in my 5-gallon. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Let's unwrap this here. I was making sure I was recording. Alright, here we go. Alright. And this here, let's see, figure out what is what here. This is the pennywort, Brazilian pennywort. Got several of them in here. Wow. There we go. Some nice Brazilian pennywort. Got some nice leaves on it. Roots coming out of it. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be, wow. This is gonna be my, this is a sword plant. I got 2. I got Ozelot sword and a marble queen sword. chollas. Okay. I think this is like the marble queen. There's two, or maybe it's two I think it's two different ones actually in here. Looking at the roots. Great root system. Let's see. Maybe two different ones. Yeah, it is. Three separate plants, okay. Yeah, that's the marble queen right there. And then this here is going to be the Ozelot sword. It's got branches on it, and I think this is another small one right here. Came with it. Okay. This is anchor moss. It's anchor moss. I've never had anchor moss before, so I thought I'd try it. I think it's something newer to the hobby too. And then these are giant hygro or temple plant. And then this here must be the hygrophila stricta. It's supposed to be pink, that's why. That must be it. Right here. So these are all for my 50. Yeah, because this is supposed to grow compact. Yeah, that little leaf there's a little bit red, so that's what that is. But anyway, there's my plants. They're big and healthy, nice colors. I'm gonna stick these in the in my temporary tank where I got my other plants and fish, which is my 20-gallon long. Again, these came from Planted Aquariums Central. They're in Arizona. So, okay, hopefully I'll be getting my 50 started, setting it back up tomorrow, and then we'll let you see how things look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.